65% of workers spend all of their earnings in the first 5 days of the month. That's what my co-founder and I experienced when we were operating banks and microfinances across Africa. So we created Power, a platform to help workers improve their financial health. There's this growing global workforce that's unprotected, financially stressed, and unhealthy. In Africa alone, there'll be more people entering that workforce in the next 10 years than the rest of the world combined. Across the continent, many workers are struggling to make ends meet. In our launch market of Kenya, less than 20% of people were financially healthy in 2021. That means their ability to save or invest, to cope with risk, or to manage day to day. Power is enabling financial health at scale by empowering workers across governments, private companies, and gig platforms. We connect them to affordable and appropriate financial services with regulated partners across the continent. Workers are able to immediately download our app, register, and start using the Power services instantly. We provide 4 key things. The first is pay, access to earnings at any time to help manage day-to-day and avoid predatory lenders. The second is save, streamline savings and investment every time workers get paid. The third is borrow, affordable and appropriate credit for productive purposes. And finally, protect, a buy now, pay later marketplace for insurance and health services. We earn on each of the services that we provide. Partners can lend through our platform, and Power earns revenue on all disbursements and deposits generated. We've set the foundation for growth with the right partners, companies, and investors for scale. We've also built our own in-house core banking system and customer interfaces that can scale across multiple geographies. In Kenya, we've got a great set of initial companies that have been onboarded, representing 40,000 workers. We found product market fit, dispersing 20,000 loans and $750,000. We're now expanding to new markets with our white-labeled workplace banking solution. We have partners in 10 countries, and we have discussions in 5 more. We're targeting 7.5 million individuals, earning a combined $36 billion, giving Power a recurring revenue opportunity of $100 million in 5 years. And our founding team are experts in digital banking. We've spent more than the last decade in financial services and technology across 15 countries in Africa. We're closing our seed round of $3 million, and we've already got $2.5 million committed. And we would love for you to join us so that we can bring Power to the people. Thank you.